Just pointing out a couple things here about, I'm cleaning this up, pretty rusty, and when I took this old cowl off, it was rusted out on the ends, so I was pretty rough on it getting rid of it. And this may not be the case if you were taking yours off carefully, drilling out the spot welds. Probably wouldn't be such an issue because I sped up the process, but what you can see here is there's remnants of the cowl top layer. So what I'm doing is I'm just barely grazing them with this angle grinder over here, thinning them out, and then using this I think it's a wood chisel actually, but I've got it pretty sharp, and then I can shave off. So you can see this is pretty clean right here. It's pretty level. I just want to get rid of any layers that are on there where there's a space in between. So that's what I'm doing right now. But yeah, it got a little brutal on this layer of the bottom shelf right here. You can see, if you look in there, you can see that even the next layer down, which is actually, I believe, the firewall, you can see that nice bit of rust brewing in there. That's the way it is. Got to kind of, you can't, unless you take the whole car apart and start over, which would be a lot of work. Then you've got to seal the sources of inlet where the water could get in there and feed that rust. Which, here's one right here. I'm going to grind as much as I can. I'm going to descale as much as I can, but like in here where the moisture would get in there, I'm going to seal that with probably some kind of urethane seam sealer. All right.